It's New Gun Day. Welcome back. For today's video, we are going to be taking a look at the Remington Express in .22 caliber. This is a budget break barrel rifle that is a full kit, and that means it comes with your scope, with your mounts, and what can I say, it looks great, doesn't it? You get the wooden stock with this great stipend effect that is really good to hold. You get your fiber optic iron sights, and you get this 4x32 kit scope, which if you're wanting to start out is a good starter. But yeah, I'm listening to you guys. You want some more breakers. This is one that the surplus store has lent me, but it is supposedly one of their best sellers, and I can see why from a looks and feel perspective. It's kind of nostalgic, kind of a Western looking effect with the grips. And yeah, let's take a look at some nice shots of it, and then we'll take it onto the range and see if I can get any sort of grouping off the sandbags. Let's take a look. Introducing the Remington Express .22 caliber rifle, where precision meets affordability. Weighing in at just 5.5 pounds and measuring 42 inches in length, this rifle is designed for both comfort and performance. With its classic wooden stock and included scope, the Remington Express offers great value. Backed by the trusted Remington name, you get a lot of rifle for your money. Experience the Remington Express .22 caliber rifle. Reliability, accuracy, and exceptional value. So we're here, we're not too far out today. We're at about 12 meters, and I've said it a couple of times on here, we're getting ready for a wedding and we're getting married in the garden, so there's a lot going on here. But I think this is a good starter rifle, and I especially think with this scope, I want to see what sort of grouping I can get, what sort of recoil comes from this breaker, and see what a good cheap breaker will be in a wooden stock with this renowned name on it. So I've set the targets up downrange. We've got the JSB Exact Jumbo Diablo in 15.89 grain. Just see if we can get a bit of a group going. I will say I do like the look and feel of this. I don't know how it's going to shoot. I've zeroed it with this scope, taken about 5 shots, but not done any grouping. So this is going to be much of a surprise to me as it is to you. So it's got an automatic safety. It's very much like the Viroc design. And let's go to the bottom right target. Okay, up and right. I'm not looking for centers here. I'm looking for grouping. I also have some Bisley pellets on the side. We can run through it as well. I know it's new, but it's got quite a kick to it. Blew it away. Let's finish the group, and we'll try a different set of pellets, see how I get a group from that. Like I say, as I would with all of these tests, I'm just aiming on a center point for a group. Safety goggles. That's why I'm not doing so great. With all of these, you want to run a good number of pellets through to be sure that your groups are tight and etc. I know all of this from you guys, but I'm looking at the shooting experience. And I keep going right, it seems. Okay, I'm going to run 5 of the, we've got the Bisley Premier here. And I've also got some Remington ones in here. Maybe I'll run 5 of the Remington, 2, 3. Let's do 4 of those. And then a few of the Bisley Premiers as well, 2. Don't tell me off for them being in the same tin. They're clearly different pellets. There is no confusing them. So what to say about the rifle? It's got a nice action on it. The trigger is very responsive. I like the automatic safety. It's got this lever on here. I'm going to have a look at that on the next shot, see if I can flip that over. We're going to go for the bottom left target this time. I didn't zero very well, did I? Okay, so you can lock the safety, it seems. Two. I have to remind myself it's a breaker and not a PCP. I always get annoyed at myself when I'm shooting these until I remember that. These are small targets. Now I'm aiming for the centre of that target on every shot. Okay, we're going to do some of the Bisley Premier. Centre target. Definitely need to spend some more time on this scope. It's not a bad scope for a kit scope. You know, they're pretty much one and the same, 10 a penny, all of those things. With a decent scope, good amount of time spent on zeroing. This is, yeah, it's nice. You've got to let that barrel in. I think all of the analogies. It's like in these. I might just zero it, bring it across, and put some more in this. Okay. Let's just, I feel like the elevation is good, so let's just do a bit of windage. Okay. You're probably going to want me to shoot it off my shoulder, aren't you? We'll see. Okay, we're going to go again for the centre target. I've just adjusted slightly. One. I think for a starter it's good to have this safety automatic. Flyer. Even with changing the windage. Let's do one more and then have a little chat about this rifle. Okay. Look. What do I want to say? I've tried some super premium rifles. I've tried some super budget rifles. When I compare this to, say, the Remington T-Rex, which is a PCP, they're about the same sort of price range. I think this is a little bit cheaper. So you're choosing break barrel over PCP, you're getting a nice wooden stock in comparison. But spend the time with it, run enough pellets through this. I fully believe for someone who's going to be shooting, say, 30 meters, that this is worth every penny. I know I've had a bit of a play there and a bit of a spray, but I think I often try to remember why I shoot rifles, and I enjoy it. Even just getting out here and shooting, 20 pellets, really enjoyed that. And some rifles I've sat here and I just haven't enjoyed them. So I think that's something big to take away from it. Would I recommend this rifle? I think if you're looking around that price range, the engineering, the wooden stock, with a different rifle, with a different scope on it, I think this would really, really improve. And for a first impression, I'd recommend this. I think all that's left to say is thank you guys for subscribing and watching and getting involved with this. Thank you to the Surplus Store for letting me try this. I think it's one of your best sellers for a reason. And all that's left for me to say is cheers. Stay safe, shoot safe, catch you on the next one.